Side bend over the left leg. Keep grounding your right leg. Breathe. Your right arm's over your head, reaching and extending and opening the right waist and the right rib cage. Observe your breath. Then moving from your belly, face the left leg. Stretch the right side of your lower back. Breathe. Come to the center. Inhale and come back up.